1. Where is Mojumbin Cave located? None of the above. 2. Who is the current Chief Secretary of Meghalaya? Shri D.P. Walang. 3. How many elected members Legislative Assembly are there in Meghalaya? (60) 4. Which is the largest district in Meghalaya in terms of area? West Khasi Hills District. 5. The Blue Revolution in India is associated with. Fisheries. 6. Name the densest jungle in the world. Amazon rainforest. 7. The largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter. 8. Who was the first Chief Justice of High Court of Meghalaya? T. Meena Kumari. 9. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. 10. Where is Pirdawa village located? Pinersla. 11. What is the old name of Kafan Nonglay Park? Lady Hyderi Park. 12. Where is Kailing Rock located? Nongkla. 13. Which of the following is not correct? North Garo Hills, Bagmara. 14. The smallest district of Meghalaya is? Southwest Garo Hills. 15. Meghalaya became a full-fledged state in? None of the above. 16. What is the state animal of Meghalaya? Clouded leopard. 17. What is the state bird of Meghalaya? Hill Myna. 18. Who coined the term Meghalaya? S.P. Chatterjee. 19. Which is the longest river in Meghalaya? Simsang River. 20. Who was the first Khasi Chief Minister of Meghalaya? D. DPU. 21. How many C and RD blocks are there in East Khasi Hills District? (11) 22. Operation Flood is associated with. Milk production. 23. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Astana. 24. Which Indian freedom fighter is called Lokmanya? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 25. Which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Rajasthan. 26. Who was the last Mughal ruler of India? Bahadur Shah II. 27. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 28. Which country is not a member of BRICS? South Korea. 29. The largest river island in the world is located in which state? Assam. 30. Which of the following is not a central government scheme? All are central government schemes. 31. Who has the most number of Grand Slam trophies in tennis? Novak Djokovic. 32. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 33. Lionel Messi was born in which country? Argentina. 34. The Horn of Africa includes which of the following countries? Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea. 35. Which of the following is correct? Pinersla is a civil subdivision. 36. The first man to scale Mount Everest? Edmund Hillary. 37. When did the First World War end? (1918). 38. What is the full form of PDF? Portable document format. 39. Which of the following is correct? Makirwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. 40. Where is Umdan Diwan village located? Ri-Boi District. 41. Where will the 2028 Summer Olympics be held? USA. 42. Where is the famous Eiffel Tower located? None of these. 43. The famous Ashes Test Series in cricket is played between England and Australia. 44. Which of the following is correct? Lewis Hamilton, Formula 1. 45. Which movie won the Best Picture at the Oscars in 2024? Oppenheimer. 46. What is the name of Hitler's party that came into power in Germany? The Nazi Party. 47. Where was Nelson Mandela from? South Africa. 48. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga. 49. Which of the following is the highest peak in India? Mount Kanchenjunga. 50. Where is Siachen Glacier located? Ladakh. 51. Where is Andaman and Nicobar Island located? Bay of Bengal. 52. Which is the famous Eden Gardens Cricket Stadium located? Kolkata. 53. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. 54. When did the Indochina War take place? (1962). 55. The famous BrahMos is a missile. 56. Where is Buenos Aires located? Argentina. 57. Which football club has won the most number of UEFA Champions League trophy? Real Madrid. 58. Which country won the ICC Cricket T20 World Cup in 2024? None of the above. 59. Who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi? Natharam Godse. 60. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. 61. Where is the Sundarbans located? Bay of Bengal. 62. Who is regarded as the father of Green Revolution in India? M.S. Swaminathan. 63. Who holds the record for the most number of FIFA World Cup titles? Brazil. 64. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin. 65. Where is the Kaaba located? Saudi Arabia. 66. What is Mahatma Gandhi's real name? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. 67. Where is the Pyramids of Giza located? Egypt. 68. Who is the founder of the Arya Samaj? Dayanand Saraswati. 69. Which of the following fall under East Khasi Hills district? Marbisu. 70. Elephanta Caves is located in which Indian state? Maharashtra. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe so you will not miss an upcoming video like this. Stay smart, thank you.